This is end of main wash intermediate spin now. It's a full load. It's a 7kg washer with about 8kg in it so far. I put 2 pots in, by the way. I'm naughty. It's free electric at 11 o'clock, so I'm going to get everything going. I'm going to put this on an auto clean wash. I'm going to put dishwasher on, and I'm going to put my tumble dryer on all at 11 o'clock so I can make use of free electric for a bit. It's an hour to hammer the electricity bill. So I'm going to clean out my washer because that uses a lot of energy at 90. Tumble dryer is a condenser, so that uses about 70p an hour. Dishwasher is about 30p an hour. So yeah, it's all going to go. Should be draining now. There we go. Big Sudslock.